This video explains how to drill down to see data at different levels of the hierarchy of fields in Analytics Builder. Note, the fields you can use to create drill downs varies by visual type. You can't add drill downs to pivot tables. First, on the Analysis page, choose your analyses. For this example, we are viewing awards issued left to join. Then, choose the visual that you want to add drill downs to. Select the necessary fields under Data. We are choosing Org Unit Name, Award ID, and Award Issued. Here you can see how many awards have been issued versus how many haven't. As you click on each of the course bars, you will see the different options for how you want to view and interact with it. To enable drill down, drag the desired field from Data on the left. Position the dragged field above or below the existing field based on where you want it to be in the hierarchy you're creating. In this example, we're dragging down Award Name under Org Unit Name. To remove a field from the hierarchy, choose the field and then choose Remove. To drill down on a particular course, click on the bar at the course level and select Drill down to the dimension of your choosing. To exit, click on the Drill Up button at the top right. To drill down or up to see all of the data instead of just one, click on the same Drill Down or Drill Up button. Now you know how to drill down a visual in Analytics Builder. Thanks for watching.